Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you how to mod Minecraft because as a kid I always really wanted to do it, but I never knew how, and I cried many times trying to figure out how to do it. And if you're anything like me and got really frustrated trying, I want to show you how. So you want to go to your internet browser. If you have it pinned down here, you can search for it. You open it and you want to type in Forge download like that. You can go pretend you type it, search. And you want to go to, should say something like Minecraft Forge. It'll be blue for you, but it'll be purple for me because I've already clicked on this link before. And here are your versions. You can choose whatever you want, whatever you're looking for. For the sake of simplicity, we're going to be doing 1.15.2 for now because these are little drop-down menus. And you want to click Installer. You want to click Installer. A little box icon. It doesn't matter which one of those two little menus you click. Just click Installer. And this will be an ad here if you're not using an ad blocker. But on the top, eventually, after a couple seconds, it'll say skip. You can click on that. And it'll download, and you want to click keep here. And then you want to exit out. Don't do whatever you want. Just peek at the desktop or exit out. Nobody, doesn't matter. And then you want to open File Explorer. You can search it up, or if you have it pinned down here, it'll look like that. And you want to go to, it'll be on quick access, you want to go to downloads, and here is Forge. It'll be right here, and you want to just click on this twice, double click, and you should see something that looks like this. And it's install and that, extract, there'll be a file down there. You just want to make sure it's on install client, click OK, and it'll do some fun stuff. And I don't know if this will actually work because I've already downloaded this version of Forge. And it'll do that. And it'll just do some fun stuff, and there, it's done. Now you want to X out in File Explorer, and you want to search into the bottom, you want to search in Run. For the sake of simplicity, I have it down here. That's what the icon will look like. It'll look like this. And then you want to type in %appdata, percent updated percent. Click OK. And then you should see something that looks like this. And you'll scroll down until you find .minecraft. It could be at the top, could be at the bottom. For me, it's at the bottom for some reason, but you can just click on that, double click. And then you can scroll down until you find, well, I think you have to actually boot Forge, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to go into, if you don't see mods, what you want to do is you want to go into installations at the top. This is for Java Edition only. Click installations. You want to click new, and you can name this whatever you want, put a little icon, whatever you want, and you'll scroll down until you find whatever you want to find. If you're looking for whatever version of Forge, you can find it, and it's right there. I'm not going to make another one. And eventually it should look something like this with Forge like that. You just click save, and then you can click play. Don't worry about this. And it'll load, and you don't really have to do anything here. It'll just load up, hopefully. Yeah, it'll load up. Might take a second because you've never loaded the client before, or it'll take a second because you haven't loaded the client in a while. Oh, that shouldn't happen though. And you should see a page that looks like this, and it'll do some fancy stuff, and eventually it'll load to Minecraft. And eventually it'll do some fun stuff, and screen will go crazy, and then, whoa, that's very zoomed in. Don't do that. And eventually you should see something that looks like Mojang. Just need to make sure, is that actually recording? Is it? If that's not recording, then that's okay. Yes, that is recording the Mojang. And then you're here. You should be in Minecraft menu. Just click game. Doesn't matter. And then you want to go to you want to do the run thing again. %update percent, and find .minecraft. And then you should see mods. If you're not, maybe just try to do the thing I just did again, or try refreshing something. But you double click on mods, and you can put in whatever mod you want. It has to be for that version of the game. You can't put in, unless it says it's capable, you can't just put in like Minecraft 1.7 into a 1.15.2. It won't work. So here I have two mods. You just drag and drop. And you can just close that up. And you can go back to your Minecraft launcher. And at the bottom, and I don't, it might work for you guys, but there's something that happened to me when I first got my computer where I tried to install Forge and it didn't work. I forgot what I did to fix that, but basically you'll be here. Obviously Minecraft will load up again, and so take a second. Depends if you're using a potato or a grid computer. You should see mods. You should see world edit. See, world edit's working. So then you can just do whatever you want and make a creative world just to test. And there's one glitch that sometimes happens to if you've never done this before. It only ever happened on one of my computers though. So I don't know. And put in, you can just see the one mod I have is working. You just on. Right, I'm an idiot. Dash on. It's been so long since I've used world edit. Oh my gosh, that's lagging. And then you can just do whatever you want. And you can just mess around with the mod that you have and do whatever you want. So that's fun. And yeah, that's how you do that. So if you found this helpful, smash like and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys later.